Hello, this video is talk about how to use the bending wheel to make a ceramic vessel. It looks like those ball ceramics ball. Okay, so that's for your project 3. To do that one, you need some tool. That's the basic ceramics tool we use. Sponge. Okay. We need really clay. So because we're working on a bending wheel, I wish you can make the clay perfect, ready for trimming. Okay, trimming the clay piece. This time we use a subtract way to make the ceramics vessel on the bending wheel. Okay. So beginning time, you try to get ready for the clay form. Okay, try to make it perfect. You can make it easy when you trimming them. Okay, and then you use the sponge, get a little bit water on your bending wheel, not too much because you try to stick on top. Okay, try to make sure on the center because those line here, put the marker here for you to put your piece on the right position. Okay, and why I put the top bottom of the bending wheel, because when we rotate, I want it to be stable. Okay, and to lock this piece ready, we need some clay to hold them, lock your piece, because we use trimming way to do it. So we gotta three some like the clay form. Okay, so you can find the mark line around the bending wheel. So you put one for each, right? And then push it down. Okay, don't not to that way because you will be damaging your form here. So push it down, then you can see your piece will be stable on here. Okay, maybe you need to wait a little bit. Push. Okay, so we got it ready now. We want trimming. So you see the surface is not flat right now. We try trimming the shapes. So how to use the tool? This is your tool. So you see the tool, you trimming, you take the material off this part and this part. You can take the material off. And this part, you make large space be smooth somewhere. So when you take the material off, I encourage you to use those two parts. Okay, let's see it. We rotate the piece and try to use the tool to take the material off. So remember, when you do that one, when the bending wheel front of you think of the 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So the 3 o'clock and the 6 o'clock, between this space is best way place you use your tool or your finger. Okay, if your tool working on to the 12 and the 3, between the 12 and 3, you will be cut the clay too much and lost your circle. Okay, so let's start to see that way. So you maybe from the center and little by little go out. I can see it, take the clay off. You hold the center. Okay, so you almost got it flat the surface. Now, yeah, you got a flat surface right now. Then you try to make the circle here. Use the needle, okay? Use the needle. Your arms always holding on your body, stick on your body. That's the most wheel you do. On the electric wheel, you have to hold in your hand. Do not move your hand because you want to make the circle from the center. Okay, so you're holding your needle, looking for the place you will be touching here. You see, make a circle. Okay, we got a circle, right? So maybe it can be more a little bit large. Okay, we made that a circle outside line. Then you see this part clay, you have to take it down. Okay, so you still continue use this small part or maybe this part to take the material off. I think use this small part here. Only little by little each time. If you want to cut it to a lot of shit, bigger clay off, you will be lost to the center. Very much need a patience, slowly by slowly take the clay off. Because we use the bending wheel, it's not like the electric wheel. So I will try to work in both sides. One, take a little bit off and holding the center. Okay. From the top a little bit, slowly go down. Okay, this is the way we try to trimming, take the material off. Okay, try to make it all the piece be ascending. Okay, will be take more time, so you will be slowly take a little bit, cut it more. Maybe make it up 1 cup. You may need more than 30 minutes. Okay, that's the way you took it clay down. Then you also have to take the center clay off. So by the way, you need to make the circle again. Try to make use the needle, hold the body, draw the line for the center. Okay, so you can see this is area we wanted to take off. Clean it a bit. Okay, now we start. We try to take the center clay off. You need to take so much time, little by little. You can see we can take a clay off, right? Until to make the hollow here. Okay, this is the look. You just see, take a small clay by using those tools. Always flat top and continue work on. Okay.